Good morning, dear students. Welcome to video teaching class. It's biology for class 7. In biology, plant nutrition chapter is going on. Lastly, I explained symbiosis and insectivorous type of heterotrophic nutrition in plants. Well, now we have to start animal nutrition part of the chapter. We are going to start animal nutrition chapter. Well, in this video I will explain holozoic nutrition. It's a common mode of nutrition in animals. So I will explain the definition and the 5 stages of holozoic nutrition. Animals are all heterotrophs. Well, there are few exceptions as Chrysanthidium, Euglena contain chlorophyll, can make their food. But most animals cannot make their own food. Animals often food from autotrophs, that is green plants, directly or indirectly. Well, so all animals are heterotrophs. And there are two modes of nutrition in animals: holozoic nutrition, holozoic nutrition, and saprozoic nutrition. Holozoic and second is saprozoic. Saprozoic nutrition. Okay. In most animals we see holozoic type of nutrition. Right? Saprozoic nutrition is seen in only few animals. So let me explain saprozoic nutrition first, which is not common in all the animals. It is seen in few animals only. In saprozoic nutrition, the animals obtain food from decaying organic matters, means dead plants and animals. Well, for example, earthworm. Earthworm obtain nutrients from dead decaying organic matter present in the soil. So the type of nutrition in which an animal obtain nutrients from dead decaying organic matter called saprozoic nutrition. It is similar to saprophytic nutrition in plant. Well, phyto term is related to plant and zoan means animal. Right? Phytes term is replaced by zoic. They are saprophytic and here saprozoic. Right? The nutrition mode of nutrition in which an animal obtain nutrients from dead decaying organic matter called saprozoic nutrition. In earthworm we find this type of nutrition. Right? Next is holozoic nutrition. In most animals we find holozoic type of nutrition. Right? What happens in holozoic nutrition? In holozoic nutrition, animals intake complex organic food, which is mostly solid, and convert it into simple soluble form and utilize the food after changing into simple soluble and absorbable form called holozoic nutrition. Okay, the type of nutrition in which an animal intake solid complex food material and utilize it after changing into simple soluble absorbable form. The type of nutrition in which an animal obtain solid complex food and utilize it after converting into simple soluble and diffusible form called holozoic nutrition. Well, in most animals, holozoic type of nutrition is seen. Holozoic nutrition takes 5 stages. It completes into 5 stages. What are the different stages of holozoic nutrition? Stages of holozoic nutrition. Joint nutrition. Well, first is intaking of food called ingestion. Ingestion. In this phase, animal intake food material, take food material inside its body. Ingestion. Next to ingestion is digestion. The next stage is digestion. In digestion, the solid complex food is converted into simple, soluble and diffusible form by the action of digestive enzymes. The process is called digestion of food. Okay, so in second stage, food is digested. Okay, third is absorption. Absorption. In this stage, the digested food get mixed with blood and carried to different parts of body. Fourth is assimilation. What happens in this stage? In this stage, the absorbed food is converted into a protoplasmic substance, is converted into a cellular component, right? Changed into a component of protoplasm, a protoplasmic substance. And the last, fifth and last stage is egestion. Fifth stage is egestion, in which the undigested part of food is released out, thrown out of the body of animal. Once again, the type of nutrition in which an animal intake solid complex food and utilize it after digestion, absorption and assimilation. Well, holozoic nutrition completes into 5 stages. These are ingestion is the first stage. Ingestion means intaking of food. Next is digestion, in which solid complex food is converted into simple soluble and diffusible form by the action of digestive juice or digestive enzymes. The third stage is absorption, in which digested food get mixed with blood. Fourth is assimilation, right? The food after absorption enters inside the cell and converted into a component of protoplasm. This is called assimilation. Fifth and last stage is egestion, in which the undigested part of food is eliminated from the body of animal. I think you have understood the definition of holozoic nutrition and its 5 stages. Today, homework will be given on this topic. Okay, more we will discuss in next online teaching class or in teaching video. That's it.